Welcome to another Todd's
2-Minute Tech Tip Tuesday.
Brought to you by the National RV Training Academy, the only academy that gives you the credentials to become a certified tech and/or certified inspector. Hey, welcome everyone to a special Tech Tip Tuesday on location here at the National RV Training Academy, where I'm teaching over 60 students. So let's go ahead and get into our Tech Tip Tuesday. So we're still in our summer series here, and I want to cover something that is often missed and not talked about too much, and that's going to be the location of our power cables. I'm going to go ahead and grab these over here. One thing I want to point out with these power cables, a lot of times when we pull up to a particular RV site, we're real close to our pedestals. We get our power cables out, and a lot of times we go ahead and coil these up this way. And here's where I want us to make some considerations. If this power cord is sitting outside in the direct sunlight and it's still coiled up just like this, what we're going to create is too much heat. Now remember, as we have electricity floating through these cables, we're creating heat. As we have electrons floating through these cables, we have heat. We don't want to add extra heat by adding the sun. So what we want to do is a couple things. One is we want to tuck this under the rig if at all possible. But secondly, we never want to keep these coiled up in the summer, such as this. This is what weakens our cables over time. So go ahead and draw this out, or only use up the measure that you need and keep the rest under the rig. So there's some special questions that immediately came back from you, the audience. Does the heat cause any problems to the electrons? Absolutely. If these get too hot, if these cables get too hot, then what will happen is we'll have a voltage drop. So no matter what we're getting from the pedestal, we're actually going to see a voltage drop that goes into our rigs. And guys, as we all know, if the volts drop, the amps increase. So what about on a motorhome where you have the reel? Only draw out as much power cord as you need. The problem that we have is this being coiled up in the sun. This is all blocked out.
No, it's not. Those are your students. They're in the... Why don't you explain to, what the...
They already know. They went through this.
Explain to these people.
Come to class and I'll explain it to you. Right? Y'all paid for it.
That's right. That's right. How are you guys enjoying class? Amazing. How is Todd as an instructor?
He's the best.
He's very good. Very good.
There you go.
Thank you.
There we go. All right. And there's your tech tip. If you want to be able to fix the majority of the problems on your rig, well, let's say you want to open up a business, become a certified inspector or a certified RV technician, head over to our website at NRVTA.com, click on programs, and get started today. So we're still in our summer. It's still freaking summer, okay? And since we're talking...
I'm teaching today.
Oh yeah, that's right. All right. On location. Okay. Man, that was smooth.
Yeah. Any other questions? Do you guys want to be in the tech tip with Todd? Why don't you guys come on in? We stand behind him.